Welcome to a garden update for August the 15th. Oh, the massive, look at the thing. This is, it's bizarre. Look how big this thing is. The spaghetti squash, it's growing like, it's unbelievable. I think it's part zucchini, but I know it's not. I know what's happened here is this end of the garden is very nitrogen rich from the chicken manure. That's why I'm getting this explosive growth. I've been snipping it back like crazy because it would just destroy this end of the garden. Just the carrots would get disappeared, but they're going well. Carrots are coming well. The parsnips are starting to pick up rather well. Actually, I'm very happy with it. I'm actually blown away by the whole garden. It's coming well. It's coming very, very well this year. For the amount of effort I've put into it, I can't believe it. Then we've got our yellow beans, and there's already yellow beans. They're in there. Can I show you some? They've just started appearing. Yeah, there you go. They've just started. So they're coming along well. Then the rutabagas, they're coming back to life now after I've thinned them. This is for the final growth. They're going to explode from this point on. They're like 2 months away anyways. They don't come out till the end of October. Lots of growing yet to do with those. And they've got lots of space. There's going to be a big, massive crop of rutabaga. And my carrots here are doing really, really well. The velour beans are already have a small little crop happening. They're coming really, really well. I'm very, very happy with this whole garden this year. It's like I can't believe it. I wasn't supposed to be eating it. It looks like I'm gonna be eating it, but and I'm gonna have way too much food, like way too much. My beets, I thinned them out today, and I got a whole wheelbarrow load. Well, I've actually got a kiddie pool full of beet tops, which I'm gonna blanch tomorrow. But they're coming well. Like there's some good sized ones already, but I won't take these out for probably 2 or 3 more weeks. Get them so they're like 3 and 4 inch diameter. Then this my batch of carrots here, which are doing really, really well. Also, this is my dead row of weeds in between. It was a row that I accidentally made that I never planted anything in it because I thought for sure that the green beans were going to take over. They're not bad, but they didn't take over like I thought they would. But there are green beans. I already had some. I had some this afternoon, a snack. If I can see any here. Yeah, there's one right there, one little guy. So the garden is coming really well, but you can see here, like the stuff is growing. It's growing abnormal because they shouldn't be growing like this, like a vine. The plants are very, very vigorous this year. Actually, the whole garden is mind-blowing. Here, I'll try to get it so we don't get any solar flare here, so you can see what I'm talking about. It's way too much food for one man. Like, look at it. It almost looks like a commercial operation. And I just, like I said, this year, the reason I'm not doing videos is because I'm not doing anything. It's pretty well zero effort so far.